first for Malaysia, we have a buy call for Hexstar Global Berhad. So if you look at the chart here, the stock might be stuck in a sideways range, but then since May 2023 low, it has been making a higher low structure, making it making the primary uptrend intact. So if you look at the trading volume last Friday, it shows a high trading volume, which is a sign that the primary uptrend could actually continue. It also trading above its February 2024 high anchored VWAPs, indicating that buyers are regaining control. So, however, despite its sideways range, if the price wants to keep the uptrend intact, it has to remain above the 200-day EMA, and a break below might be a sign of a bearish reversal move. Next, a sell call for CloudPoint Technology Berhad. So the stock is on the verge of a bearish continuation move, as it is nearing its head and shoulder neckline pattern, and a break below might lead to further weakness. Furthermore, the 21-day EMA has just crossed below the 50-day EMA, further reinforces the prevailing weakness. So watch out for the neckline pattern. If it breaks below, it will lead to a bearish continuation. Next, let's go to Indonesia. So we have a buy call for Erajaya Swasembada. So the stock has been making an inverse head and shoulder pattern. And last Friday, it has actually completed the pattern, which is a strong sign of a bullish reversal move. As long price maintains above this neckline line over here, which is the red line over here, we could expect a stronger rebound and might test our next resistance. Next, a sell call for Gudang Garam. So the stock has been making an inverse rounding base pattern. Now it has touching the inverse rounding base neckline pattern multiple times, which is a sign of a breakout below, and a breakout below could lead to a bearish continuation since the primary downtrend is still intact. Next, let's go to the Philippines. So first, we have a buy call for DG Plus Interactive Corporation. So if you look at the stock, if you look at the chart here, the stock has been making a nice uptrend since 2023. And recently, it has been in a mild correction, but they found strong support at the 50-day EMA. And last Friday, it has confirmed a stronger bullish continuation move, as it just broke above the flag pattern with a surge in trading volume. So this is a sign that the uptrend could actually continue. And if you look at the ADX reading, it has just made a bullish crossover, which is a sign that bullish sentiment is kicking in again. And if you look at the RSI, it stays below the overbought territory, which means that buy momentum could actually persist and might test our next resistance at 40.00. Next, we have a sell call on Synergy Grid. So the stock has completed the head and shoulder pattern, which is an early sign of a bearish reversal move. The price also is trading below the 21-day EMA and also 50-day EMA, which is a sign that bears have the upper hand right now. So if the price breaks below the 200-day EMA, we anticipate that this could lead to a bearish continuation move, as the 21-day EMA will also cross below the 50-day EMA, further solidify bearish momentum. So watch out for 200-day EMA. If the price doesn't rebound from this line, this might lead to further weakness. Next, let's go to Singapore. So we have a buy call on Singapore Telecommunications. So the stock has been testing the SMA triangle neckline pattern multiple times. And last Friday, it has completed the bullish engulfing pattern with increased volume, while also testing the neckline pattern again. So this is a sign that a bullish continuation move and a breakout above this pattern might follow suit. If you look at the other side, it has also been trading upwards but remain below the overbought level. So we anticipate that a breakout could lead to a bullish continuation of its current uptrend. Next, we have a sell call on EM Holdings Limited. So the price has just completed its double top pattern, and as the price movement last Friday did a gap down and now barely holding above the neckline pattern, we could expect that the price could actually break below this line, which could lead to a bearish continuation move, as the 21-day EMA just crossed below the 50-day EMA. Additionally, if you look at the RSI, despite its declining, it is not yet in the oversold territory, which means that bearish momentum could actually continue. So for now, If you want to go long for this short, I would advise to avoid first because the price remains in a primary downtrend and could lead to a bearish continuation. Let's go to Thailand. So first we have a buy call on Tonghua Holding. So the price has actually made a strong rebound from its February 2025 low as the price now is back above the 21-day EMA and also 50-day EMA. We could expect that further upside could actually continue as last Friday it has just completed a bullish engulfing pattern with increased volume. A further increase in the price could actually lead to a potential crossover of the 21-day EMA above the 50-day EMA, which could further strengthen bullish momentum. And if you look at the RSI, it has been nicely trending upward, which means that buy momentum remain elevated and this bullish reversal could actually continue. Next, we have a sell call on Chai Watana Tannery Group. So the stock has been in a primary downtrend since 2024, given the lower high structure. And recently, it has just broke below its its previous support line, which is a sign that the downtrend could actually continue. If you look at all moving average line, they are all still declining, which is a sign that the bearish sentiment remains intact. So for any sign of weakness easing, the price need to at least claim the 21-day EMA, which is the blue line over here, to signal a potential slowdown in a downtrend. But for now, the bearish sentiment is still kicking in and might lead to a bearish continuation move. And lastly, let's go to Vietnam first. We have a buy call on Hang Seng Motor Service. So the stock has shown a significant improvement since mid-February with the price chart setting consecutive higher peaks and continuing to move uptrend until now. So the price has remained above this line, this previous resistance now turn support line. So as long price remain above this, given the increase in trading volume last Friday, we could expect further upside potential. And lastly, we have a sell call on Vina Fried joint stock company. So the stock has just recently broke below its previous support line, now turn resistant with increased volume last Friday. We could expect a further continuation of the bearish move as the MACD now has also turned negative, which means that bulls are now losing steam. Liquidity also surged on the day the price broke through the support, making the signal more reliable.